Tesla is emphatically staking its claim as one of the foremost automobile companies in the world. And with the new expansion of its network of gigafactories into mainland China, the company is only going to get bigger and more successful. To put this in perspective, in 2019 alone, 20 million cars were sold in China, and about 1 to 1.5 million units of these cars were electric vehicle. By establishing a gigafactory in China, Tesla is on course to becoming the biggest electric car producer by far in the world. Tesla's new Shanghai Gigafactory sits on an 86-acre piece of land, following a 50-year agreement with the Chinese government on July 2018. With a favorable agreement secured with the government of the largest country by population in the world, Elon Musk did not waste time to set up shop in Shanghai, completing the Gigafactory by the summer of 2019 in a timeframe that was 2 times faster than the construction of Tesla's Nevada factory in the United States. As part of the agreement to construct a production plant in China, Tesla was tasked with the responsibility of turning out 300,000 units of the Tesla Model 3 and 250,000 units of the Tesla Model Y every year. It has been reported that only 20% of all Model 3s and Model Ys assembled at the Gigafactory will be exported, while the remaining units will serve customers with an immediate Chinese population. Tesla did not waste time rolling out its vehicles in China, as just 6 months after completing the Gigafactory in Shanghai, the very first set of Made in China Tesla Model 3s came off the production line. Elon Musk, who has always been one to set high targets for his companies, has publicly said that he estimates that the Shanghai Gigafactory will eventually reach a production capacity of 1 million units per year. To hit that target, the Gigafactory will require further expansion, and right now, the factory is undergoing further construction work to expand its floor space. Taking a bird's-eye view of the Shanghai Gigafactory, it becomes obvious that the property sits in the middle of a barren expanse of land, indicating that Musk has a huge expansion plans for the Gigafactory. As of now, it is estimated that the Shanghai Gigafactory costs between $2 to $5 billion to erect. It is difficult to put a finger on the exact construction cost of the factory, as further expansion is ongoing and it's not likely to end soon. Furthermore, there are ongoing rumors that Tesla is looking to purchase an adjacent 114-acre piece of land to expand the Gigafactory's base of operations. While this has not been confirmed, Musk's excellent relationship with the Chinese government implies that these rumors are not far-fetched. As part of the deal Tesla struck with the Chinese government, all the raw materials used for production in the factory are locally sourced from within China. This substantially cuts production costs for Tesla and puts them in a prime position for further market growth. The success of the Shanghai Gigafactory has made a template for future Tesla Gigafactories that will spring up in various parts of the globe. Musk has already said that the company will look to duplicate every functional aspect of the factory, that is, improve the quality and efficiency of productivity in the plants. Experts have attested to the fact that Tesla Model 3 cars produced at the Shanghai Gigafactory have demonstrated enhanced sound installation and sealing compared to other Model 3s produced elsewhere. This indicates that the modern operations within the factory have contributed to an improvement of the build quality of Tesla vehicles. As you would expect, the production lines within the Shanghai factory are equipped with cutting-edge technology. Inside the factory, state-of-the-art robots are left to do the heavy lifting, while assembly staff supervise with keen attention. That said, there are specific tasks that cannot be executed to perfection by the high-tech robots, and these tasks are left for highly skilled staff in the factory to carry out. In all, the workforce within the factory is a combination of humans and machines, as they complement each other perfectly to produce some of the finest cars ever made on the planet. Special cameras and high-tech sensors assist human staff to inspect the work of the robots in areas that cannot be seen by the human eye. These sensors work in tandem with the robots, backed by high-level machine learning programs and artificial intelligence to identify and correct any manufacturing defects, while simultaneously learning to perfect each manufacturing process along the way. The results of this are intelligent robots that continue to improve on the task they carry out. Despite the intimidating presence of an array of specialized robots in the assembly lines, the Shanghai factory employs over 2,000 workers who work in various shift patterns throughout the day. Considering the sheer size of the factory and the multi-billion-dollar robots on the production lines, movement across the factory floor is carefully controlled. Workers move along carefully designed pathways to prevent any disruption of the workflow on the assembly lines. Outside the factories, there is a constant presence of hundreds of trucks arriving and departing at the various truck ports located across the plants. These trucks ensure the constant delivery and collection of car parts and vehicles. At this Tesla factory, the lean manufacturing model is strictly followed, where assembly parts arrive at the assembly line just at the time they are needed. This manufacturing model is not only more efficient, but is also cheaper, ensuring that waste is minimized while maximum productivity is maintained. Within the factory, after the assembly of the Tesla vehicles is is completed. A special team tests each vehicle as the car's informant system is booted into factory mode. Using computer diagnostics, all systems and parts of the car are double-checked for functionality. This includes the car's drivetrains, braking systems, cooling systems, wheels, charging ports, headlights, media control, and a host of other systems. Once the car passes quality assurance testing, it is driven onto a truck that collects the cars and transports them to an expensive parking lot, where all the Tesla models are kept pending that time they would be delivered to their respective owners. The parking lot, which measures about 860 meters, holds thousands of Tesla Model 3s before final delivery. Tesla's entry into mainland China is critical to the growth of the company, as it seeks to gain more customers in the Asian market and capture more market share. And with the success of this Gigafactory in Shanghai so far, one can clearly see a pathway for substantial growth for the American company as it continues to establish itself globally. The Shanghai Gigafactory has now become a template for future Tesla factories that would be constructed in strategic regions all over the world. This has been Top Quick Peek. We'll see you in the next video.